I'm sure baby too feel cold. Especially his leg.
Wait, this is a challenge. Let me see here. So maybe I must explain something. We have like 12 degrees. And this is time when Kenyans behave like we are at South Pole. Whee! This is funny.
It is this cold. Oh my god. Even my face will get sick.
So we can go on here. Huh?
No. We already got what we wanted.
There are a lot of more, you see.
No. We come next Sunday. It is not cold.
So we wait for winter. What do you think?
Well, and you know,
Yeah.
next time when I wear heavy jackets. So today I'm walking like I've been born here. I never knew it is this cold. And then all this forest make it worse.
So let's say so. So stay tuned for this view when Miriam looks like an Eskimo. So
I'm trying to cover myself.
I just try to imagine what Miriam will wear when we get a winter here. Woo!
Hey. Hey. Let me try. This is nature. Yeah. Nature is sehr gut. Sehr schön. Yeah. Nature is so good. Looks so good. Yeah. Sorry for that. You see the way it looks good. And then you combine with what? You combine with clouds. It looks so good. Hey, I've refused to go back there because it is hell cold. I wish I knew. I could have carried like 10 of my jackets. Then I could have been okay with this cold. But now we have walked like 1 meter. Then I said, no, I cannot take it anymore. I want to go back. I want to go back. Hey, but I've enjoyed. It's a bit beautiful. Yeah. You see? And the trees and the smell. It smells good, nature, everything. Yeah, it smells so good. You see those trees there? The ones they are changing color. I really like that color. Sometimes I tell my husband, I want to get some pictures from here because it is very beautiful. In Kenya, we don't have something like this. We don't have, I don't know, winter, I don't know, whatever. No. We only have, it's ever hot. So when like Germans or white who are used to cold weather on winter, they come to travel, it's okay. To like Africa, they find it really hot there. So that's why I find it difficult with this cold environment here. But it's good. It's not bad. Yeah. So we are going back. I don't want this cold is enough for me today. Next time, then I know what to wear. Yeah. Imagine I had only weared a jumper only. That is crazy. Yeah. But now I know what to wear next time. I'm not going to make the same mistake again. It was that hard. Hello. You see this color of this tree? This is what I like. really like.
We are in center of Naturschutzgebiet, you know, where they save nature and you cannot touch anything because of saving nature. And Miriam is counting all that in firewood. What?
Me, no, you know, it's like, so in Africa we use mostly, in the village, we use firewood. So when I see firewood, I see some wood here down, and I tell my husband, oh my God, if you are able to transport these ones, yeah, they could have really saved us from buying firewood. Because here there is a lot of firewood.
And there's a lot of space for growing miles, yeah?
Yeah. But it's good. So sometimes in Kenya too, we usually do like that. We grow. We have forest here. Also military bases, because this one is also a military base. So we also have military bases in. And that one looks good. That mountain.
Yeah.
Looks like a mountain. But it looks like somewhere they mine sand. They get sand. Ebu check. Check, then you tell me. Check. You see? Looks like somewhere they mine. Yeah. Looks good. I'll wait for you to go. Now we are back. Now I am happy. Ah, you're okay, okay. Yeah.
And that's the time you can also show for explanation.
Hmm? This is which flag?
So, and here it's also displayed in English what it is.
So this is which flag?
This is Netherlands, German, and this is
UK.
English.
Yeah. German army.
So here, like here, in 1942, the German army started constructing a fuel depot at this location. Huh?
Yeah. Source of income for the forestry. Ah, yeah. So this is in Holland. This is German. So you can pause and read. For English, you can pause and read. Yeah, that is where we